So welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to see how you can trim and cut a portion of your YouTube video that you want to edit out. You can see this portion of the video is what we want to cut off. This portion here, this first portion. So to do that, this is the YouTube Studio dashboard. Here you click on the left side, you click on content. Then look for the video that you intend to trim and cut. We're using this video here, so you click on here. You click the title of the video. When it opens on the editor, you click editor, then click trim and cut, then click on new cut. And when you are done, you press this thing. You can see the portion. This is the portion we want to cut from the video. You can see it. So it has marked red. So we now go ahead and cut it. It's not cut now. Now click save. And here you can see it will give you some warning. Just like that, you click acknowledge and click confirm change. You can see the cut has taken effect. Current length has been reduced, so that's how you can cut off a portion of a video on YouTube. Thank you for watching.